Hello, welcome our Gearresearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best cordless drills for home use that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill. Drilling on hardwoods without issues is a must-have feature for the best cordless drills for woodworking applications. This is why I'm listing this BLACK+DECKER cordless drill, as it comes with a powerful motor that outputs 122 in-pounds of max torque. I mean, it's not the most powerful motor you could imagine, but it covers all the drilling needs one might come across at a woodworking shop. Moreover, the drill has 10 clutch settings and a speed range of 0 to 800 RPM, which gives woodworkers sufficient drilling flexibility. Last but not least, the tool has a lithium-ion battery, which is recommended in all cordless drills thanks to the longer battery runtime and better durability offered. The lithium-ion battery is always ready and holds a charge up to 18 months. So if you are the type of person who needs to have a good drill on hand but doesn't necessarily use it every day, this battery will serve your needs quite well. The kit comes with an impressive 68 hand tools and accessories. So you are not just getting a drill, you are getting a whole tool kit. The kit also comes with a handy carrying bag for easy portability and storage. Whether you need to drill or hole or drive a screw, this drill has got you covered. If you're a homeowner looking to get the most bang for your buck, this is the option you should consider. Number 2, BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Matrix Cordless Drill. Drilling on hardwoods without issues is a must-have feature for the best cordless drills for woodworking applications. This is why I'm listing this BLACK+DECKER cordless drill, as it comes with a powerful motor that outputs 122 in-pounds of max torque. I mean, it's not the most powerful motor you could imagine, but it covers all the drilling needs one might come across at a woodworking shop. Moreover, the drill has 10 clutch settings and a speed range of 0 to 800 RPM, which gives woodworkers sufficient drilling flexibility. Last but not least, the tool has a lithium-ion battery, which is recommended in all cordless drills thanks to the longer battery runtime and better durability offered. Its lithium-ion batteries can hold a charge for up to 18 months, while the 20V power means it's as adept at heavy homesteading tasks as it is at smaller jobs around the house. It's efficient in its power usage and comes with an LED light, so you can work accurately even in poor light. His is one of the best cordless drills for under $100, although more suited to the infrequent user than a dedicated homesteader, as it lacks the durability of the higher-end cordless drills. Number 3, Craftsman V20 Cordless Drill. Craftsman's V20 drill driver kit is an excellent investment for new ders, those upgrading from old corded models, or new contractors putting together their first tool kits, because it comes with the cordless drill, two 20-volt 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, and a charger. We found the Craftsman to be a powerful drill that rivals the performance of other 18 and 20-volt cordless drills we tested. Craftsman has long been a respected name in tools, first associated with Sears and now acquired and manufactured by another well-known manufacturer, Stanley. This is the first Craftsman tool we'd tried since the company changed hands, and we were excited to test its performance. We're happy to say that this Craftsman drill is every bit as good as the models in years past. It has a 2-speed motor and a 1/2-inch chuck. We tested its drilling performance on both hardwoods and softwoods, and while using a paddle bit, an auger bit, and a hole saw bit, it drilled continuously for nearly an hour. With an extra battery, we didn't have to wait for the depleted battery to charge. We simply swapped to the fully charged battery and tested the Craftsman's driving capabilities. It comes with 2 drilling speeds, lots of torque, and a 23-setting clutch that adjusts with ease and provides just the right amount of control for heavy or light fastener insertion. We also like the LED light, something many more powerful drills omit. This drill is suitable for household use, but it will also perform well for larger construction projects, such as building a garage or a storage shed. Number 4, BLACK+DECKER 12V Max Cordless Drill. This B&D compact drill will help you get in and drill in tight spaces. With overall mid-level performance, a keyless chuck for easy drill bit changes, and the cheapest price tag on the list, this cheap cordless drill is a solid pick. I measure down to the 64th of an inch for clearance in tight spots. At 1 to 18/64 inches side clearance, this drill gets into tighter spaces than any other I've tested, although it is worth noting that our overall pick, the Bosch PS31-2A, was just behind at 1 to 19/64 inches. The lithium-ion battery holds a charge for months, so the drill is always ready for you to use. Its heft and slightly larger size, plus higher torque, makes it suitable for larger projects. If you want to learn a bit more about my reasoning, besides its affordability, click the button down below and check the entire review. The impact is smooth and rapid like a well-oiled machine. Like the hammer drill, the battery power of the driver lasted longer than we did. All in all, it's an excellent set for the money. Number 5 Bosch Power Tools Cordless Drill Set. We were impressed by both the compact size and the bright LED light on the Bosch cordless drill. It delivers a surprising amount of practical power in a remarkably diminutive package. It weighs a little more than 2 pounds and comes with an inch chuck. 2 speed ranges provide good versatility for all kinds of drilling and riving tasks. There's also a battery charge indicator light on the side. We tested the drill's drilling power with a paddle bit and regular bits, and it performed flawlessly when drilling in pine. It kept chugging along when we drilled in ash wood, but after drilling dozens of holes in the harder wood, the body of the drill became quite warm. We realized, however, that we were pushing the Bosch drill beyond what it was designed to do. We let it cool down and then tested its driving capabilities. The 20-setting clutch was the easiest to adjust of all the drills we tested, and it offered a wide range of torque sensitivity. The only downside, and it could be a game changer for some, is how tight the batteries fit. It's challenging to remove them, and someone without a strong grip might not be able to do so at all. The Bosch kit includes a pair of 2.0 amp-hour batteries, a charger, screwdriver bits, and a carry bag. While mainly designed for D users, it will also appeal to contractors, particularly those who often work overhead and who don't need a heavy-duty drill much of the time. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.